Hi! In front of me is Samsung B2710 Solid, and today I would like to show you how you can rename this device. Firstly, go into menu and select apps. Now you need to choose Bluetooth and click on this left button to go into options. Then select settings, scroll down and choose phone name. Over here you can type in whatever you wish to. I will go with... Oh, so sorry, misclick. Some gibberish, and save your changes by tapping on the middle button. As you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!